Good morning for Park 4, Day 3. SeaWorld Orlando. Another park I have not been to since I visited in 2013, where I was too young to remember. We've got some anticipated coasters today, including Pipeline, which I'm looking at right now, and also Mako, which I've heard is one of the best hypers. So let's walk on through the gates and find out. Where are the entrance gates? You gotta beat that heat. Well, it was busy at the front gate, but there ain't a lot of people over here. Oh, we might be starting with Mako, I think. Icebreaker over there. Twisted mess of B&M track over here. Must mean we're at SeaWorld. Looks like we're starting with Penguin Trek. A brand new for last year, I believe. This will be our first family launched B&M. There it goes. Classic sound for this. If only it was actually cold over here. It's not, it's humid. And here we are, Penguin Trek. Feel the air now. And here we go. It's definitely cold in here. It's good. Some good theming. This is not just an outdoor queue. No. Very nice. And Penguin Trek is a station wait. How about that? Let's have fun. We'll see you. At Penguin Trek, as you saw. Now there is a little bit of a rattle. I didn't think it was offensive. Colin said he didn't think it was that offensive either. But I don't know if that's just because they're using different trains. Maybe, possibly. But it wasn't rough by any means. Nice relaxing ride. generally smooth. Good family coaster. You know, when you're at SeaWorld, you gotta check out some of the wildlife. How fast they're moving. What? 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 Okay. And here we go, another B&M. Looking very nice. Must have just been painted recently. Kraken says it's a 5-minute wait, so let's see about it. Yeah. Yeah.
Big vertical loop. Let's see how this
It's intense. Not bad. Just got off Kraken, as you saw. A solid B&M, I would say. Some good, some good intense moments on the inversions. That's what makes it a classic B&M, though. I think Mako's right here. We're gonna try to do that. It looks there's a couple trains that went out like half full, so I don't think there's a lot of people.
5-minute wait.
5-minute wait. So we're gonna head over to Mako. But Kraken was good. I would give it a 6 out of 10. Not bad at all. Onward. All right. This will be with a moment of truth. People call this their favorite hyper. A lot of people say it. I have never ridden it because it was not here last time. So we're gonna hop on right now. And I'll let you know the verdict afterwards. Right now, Raging Bull and Diamondback are my favorites. So we'll see. And here we go, Mako. Yeah, that was a quick dispatch.
Ooh, little breeze.
Yeah. The wrong side of the train.
Gorgeous view of Kraken.
Yeah. There we go.
What's the drop?
Huh?
What's the drop? Is it a straight drop?
Yeah, I believe so.
No bounce? Alright. Whoa!
Oh! Nice. Absolutely. Yes! Absolutely. Oh! Nice.
That was cool.
That's what Candemonium wishes it was. That ending. So we just did front row on Mako. That was spectacular. But we're going to go back around and we're going to do back row because that, in my opinion, is where the bull really shines. And there was already some good, almost hindering on ejector airtime in the front row on Mako here. So we're going to go back around. I'll report back shortly. All right, so we just did Mako back row. It wasn't as good as the front. The drop was a little bit better in the back. But I think I still like bull more. I would put this above Diamondback, however, I think. I prefer the ending of this one to Diamondback's. Diamondback kind of feels like it loses some steam at the end. But the water element's cool, so. My number 2 hyper, Mako. And there's Mantle presenting itself. And here we go, the ride I was too scared to ride last time. Get out. Oh, every time. Here we go. That was awesome.
That was great.
Just got off of Manta. Incredible, great flying coaster, glossy, smooth. And it has that pretzel loop right off the drop, so your max speed. Headed back over towards the front. We just got Pipeline and Icebreaker left to hit. And it looks like we might hit Pipeline first. So, we'll see. Yeah, Manta was good. It was definitely a little intense in some spots, which is kind of unusual for a flying coaster like that, except for Tatsu, obviously. So I would probably put that second in the chain of flying coasters I've been on, B&M at least. And yes, here we are, Pipeline Surf Coaster, the new age of the stand-up. Hop on and see how it's running.
Stupid extra straight.
We'll see.
We got the launch.
What?
We got the launch.
Yeah.
Hydraulic launch.
Standing up. Oh, that would be insane. Oh! Oh! Yeah. Oh! Airtime. Oh! Oh! Dinner time. Some ejector at the end there.
Did your feet come off the ground?
Yeah, there was one little spot on nut smashing. That was it. Pipeline. That was very interesting. Very unique experience. Some very great airtime actually on the ride, especially right here on the launch. I want to talk about another glass smooth ride though. This one right here. Pipeline, the surf coaster. Set right here by the water. It's pretty cool. Not the best amount of theming, or the most amount, but there's a little audio track that plays. Not bad though. There was one little moment of nut crushing, but other than that, there was actually a nice pop-up ejector at the end. Not bad. We're headed over to that orange guy. Done with the B&M gauntlet. Let's hit the premiere. Here we are, our final ride of the day. 55 minutes.
Is that what it says?
You're in the quick queue. Let's see about that.
Right away to
Yeah. Yeah, it's about to not be. Oh, and here we go. Oh, oh, nice. Oh, oh, nice. Some ejector right there. Icebreaker. Good ride, but those trains are tiny. Good ejector. Some nice, very nice pops from the ejector. And the launches were pretty strong too, so Zamperella, take notes. Okay, we are at the park exit. We had a great day here at SeaWorld Orlando, rode everything, and we're looking forward to Busch Gardens tomorrow, which will be the next vlog that comes out, so we'll see you then.